Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. My name is John. This channel basically is all about promotion, saving, discount, unboxing, assembling, DIY, review, all kinds of stuff. So if you're into savings, then you've come to the right place. Please sit back and enjoy, because today we're going to have quite of some deals that I'll be going over with. Starting off with the first one, it's this miter saw. This one is Ryobi. This is not like the professional brand, or this is more like for a DIY. So if on and off, you know. So this brand here is pretty decent for the. It's a sliding miter saw, and its regular price is $219, and now you can get it for $139. So that's a saving of $80 right there. So let's take a look at some of the pictures. As we can see, I think Rigid is made, and Ryobi and Milwaukee all made by the same company. It's just they wanna, you know, they make a different brand and different part for different profession, like more like for DIY professional. Professional usually use Milwaukee, and so. But you know, if you just work you know, on and off, you know, you don't need a major brand name for it. This would do the work for you. As you can see, it's 4.5 out of 5 stars. Okay, so I bought a used one from a pawn shop in the 10-inch DeWalt for about $100. That was like what, like 13 years ago. So had I known, I would have bought this already. Okay, so this is currently on sale at Home Depot. Okay. Next one we have is the garage opener. This is for from Costco. So if those of you who has a membership, you know, this would be, and if you're looking for a garage opener, this would be great. The brand is a Genie. It's a 1.2 horsepower quiet belt, garage door, LED, battery backup, and Aladdin Connect, and it has Wi-Fi. I have a Craftsman, and it has a Wi-Fi as well. You can open it anywhere on your phone if it has an internet, because they use it through the app, which is really neat. Okay, regular price you're looking at $229, but right now they have a $60 off manufacturer from today all the way to November 19th. Okay, so, and the review is not bad as well. It's 4.6 out of 5. That's out of 1,300 review, so excellent. And it comes with this little backup battery here, to remote. They had a padded key lock right by the outside, so you can just punch it in and get in. So let's move on to the next one. This is the mesh Wi-Fi system. If you follow the channel, you know that I have the Google Wi-Fi. I have 3 of them too, which is excellent. Since I have Frontiers, they give you 500 down and 500 up. So with the Google Wi-Fi, I have like everywhere about over 100 megabyte down and up. So which is excellent. And I believe I paid about $99 for a cube for the first one, and the other 2 I just bought it some offer for like pretty cheap, like $30 each. But this one regular price is $329, and now $100 less, so you only pay $229. And this one does, the speed is way better than the Google Wi-Fi too. So this one up to 3 gigabytes right there, Wi-Fi 6, which is the latest right there. And it covers up to 7,000 square feet. Okay, excellent, excellent. So if you do a lot of streaming, video, Netflix, stuff like that, and you have a good internet connections, I suggest you get this pack right here. Just put it one in the diagonal, like a triangle, so that way you make sure every spot gets it. You know, there's no dead spot. Okay, and the next one that we have is this one right here. It's a little Raptor Square here, $15 for 2. You know, if you do a lot of like woodworking, you know, this little thing is very handy. Regular price is $25.94, and now you can get it for $14.97. $10 saving right there off the back. Next one we have is these clamps here. So for $14.97 you get a set of 4, which is not bad at all. Okay, this is regular price $24.97 and saving $10, so come down to $14.97. Okay, so those of you who do a lot of woodworking, this would be great. Okay, they do have a lot of others that are on sale as well. Next one, this one is a screwdriver. So here, this one is regular price is $28, now is $14.97, saving of $13.07. Okay, so you have multi bits in here. You can switch it, rotate it. You know, has a good grip. Milwaukee, and this one almost has a perfect star. So like almost like maybe 4.9 something out of 5. Not bad at all. Okay, for $15. Okay, so let's go on to the next one. This one here is the DeWalt brushless high torque half-inch impact wrench, 4 amp battery charger and tool. This one here, I have a rigid, and to my surprise, they loosen all the lug nuts on my Acura RL like a piece of cake, and even on my Lexus RX 330. So before I used to use a compressor, you know, and use a half-inch air gun to loosen the lug nuts. But with this type of stuff, it's taking it like butter. So if that's something that you look into, you know, get this. DeWalt is one of the best brand out there that you can get for it. Okay, so regular price is $319. Right now you can get it for $199. That's a saving of $120, and I highly recommend it, because before I used to have to use like a long wrench, try to loosen it, but with this type of tool, a power tool, piece of cake. So almost 5 stars, 4 something, 4.9 out of 5 out of 596 review, which is excellent. Highly recommended. If you're into Milwaukee, you can get one from Milwaukee as well for what, like $50 more. Okay, next one we have is this one right here. This is a universal mobile miter saw stand with mountain braces. So this one regular price $219. Now you can get it for $99. It looks like, and with rigid they do have a lifetime. Just make sure you register the product within the 90 days. Okay, and make sure you follow up with them, because sometimes they can take their time, and you know, and you don't want that. Okay. I haven't had any chance to use the LSA, but like I said, I just in transitions over to rigid, so everything's new, so I have not had any issues. But once I do, I'll make a video and let you guys know what the process is. But for if you guys need a stand like this, $99. You know, perfect. Mobile too. $99 Home Depot. And the last one that we have, guys, is this hook and pick. This one right here is $9.97. A saving of $20 from regular price $29.97. So if you work on cars, you know sometimes you're looking for one of these and it's hard. But with this one, Husky, it's a lifetime guarantee. So any time that it breaks, you can just bring it to Home Depot and you get a new one. Okay, it even stated right here, lifetime warranty, no question asked. Again, I haven't tried it, so I don't know, but I'm pretty sure it should be easy. That's pretty much wrapped up for this video. If you guys have any questions, leave a comment below. If you like the video and if it saved you any money, or please give it a thumbs up and give a like, and make sure you subscribe to the channel, because I'll be posting a lot of deals that I think are more useful to everybody. If there's any particular items that you're looking for, just let me know, so that way I can look out for it and post those videos as well. Other than that, take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video.